Is a Frankenstein stereo okay? I love this question. This comes from Carlos in Chile. And Carlos writes, "Hi Paul, this is Carlos from Chile. I love your channel." Why, thank you, Carlos. "And you really teach me a lot in each video." Well, I'm trying. Thanks for that. My question is about the different equipment that make up my system. Is it wrong to have a kind of a Frankenstein setup? Currently, my setup is an exposure preamp and power amp, a project turntable, a Creek CD player, a name streamer, and a pair of Q Acoustic Concept 500s. And I'm glad to tell you that in some more weeks, I'll change it to the BHK Signature preamp, a pair of exposure monoblocks, and a Marantz SACD player. So, having so much of the disparity of the mixture of components, is it bad or wrong? How can I get the best of this setup? Or definitely, I have to think in the future to have a system based in a unique company, meaning, like all PS audio or all exposure or whatever. Well, no, there's definitely nothing wrong. I mean, you are in good company, Carlos. Absolutely. Most people don't have all PS systems. Most people have Frankenstein systems. And we do that a lot because, as dedicated audiophile nerds that we are, we want the best for any particular setup or sound quality. So imagine your speakers are, I don't know your speakers, but let's say that you have let's say you have a pair of B&Ws, a pair of speakers that I know, and I rail on B&Ws all the time. So B&Ws are a little analytic, they're a little boom, 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 boompy, and they have, to my ear, kind of a bright tweeter. I'm not a big fan of the tweeter, okay? But it's a great speaker. Nothing wrong with B&Ws. Seriously, they're beautifully built. They just have a sound to them, as all speakers do. All speakers have a sound to them. Now, I need to tune my electronics to offset what I don't like about the speaker. So I might find that pick an amplifier, an NAD. I might find that the NAD amplifier is going to exaggerate some of the things I don't like in that B&W. So that's a bad choice for me, whether I go all NAD or partial NAD. And I'm not picking on NAD, okay? It could be anything, Rotel, NAD, Class A, what you choose, PS Audio. Maybe our amplifier doesn't work so well with B&W speakers, et cetera, et cetera. So we always find synergistic products, and that's the key to this whole thing. Synergism. Now, one of the reasons that PS Audio is going to release our speakers, one of the reasons we record our own music, is someday I want to be able to have a system so Carlos can just go, I'm going all PS Audio, and be happier in a clam, because we've already created the synergy for you in an entire system, including even the music that we produce. You know that in that system it's going to work like magic. But generally, unless the company makes everything, you're going to have a Frankenstein system, and it's perfectly okay. All right. Thanks, Carlos. Talk to you later. Bye.